then I would watch out for scams. They're particularly ripe at this time of year. Anything that sounds too good to be true, these special offers, discounts, free gift cards. I mean, nothing in life is free. Also, what's quite popular are fake delivery notices. So you might get SMSs or emails that look like as if they come from a shipment company or delivery company. So make sure that you don't click on anything unless you have 100% verified that this is something you've ordered. If you donate to charity, be careful, because these scammers often create these bogus charity organizations, or they may impersonate legitimate ones. So make sure you only transfer to the company that you, or the organization that you want to support. And then lastly, if you receive a gadget or a device, or you buy one for your kids, make sure that you secure it before you use it. Change the default passwords. Make sure like all the software operating system is up to date. And then, lastly, keep safe by not clicking on anything, not trusting anything that you haven't 100% verified. And if you do all of that, you should keep pretty safe and, have happy holidays.